morning. This is Bilal Sharif. Today I am going to tell you what a police officer cannot do in a commercial dispute. The reason I am doing this today is because of a newspaper report. I am not going to go in details of that. That may bore you. I will come straight to the crux of the matter. You have a dispute with somebody. You owe him a money. Even a check that you have issued for whatever reason is bounced. So a commercial dispute, financial dispute between you and somebody else. That somebody goes to the police officer, convinces the police officer to lodge a case against you because you owe him money. If this is the background of your case, know this much, that the police officer cannot act as a recovery agent. Let me tell you again, a police officer in India does not have the power to order you to pay somebody some amount of money that you owe him, even if you genuinely do owe him or her. A police officer, by power vested under him under section 156 of the Criminal Procedure Code, cannot ask you to return the money. If he does it, simply refuse to obey and stand up and tell him that he can investigate, he can detect, but he cannot settle dispute. He doesn't have the power to settle dispute. He doesn't have the power to order recovery. He doesn't have the power to tell you to pay somebody some amount of money that you do not wish to pay without going into merits whether you owe him or you do not owe. He doesn't have the power to do this. He can investigate you, he can summon you, he can make a statement out from what he understands from you, but he cannot ask you to sign a check and give it over to somebody to resolve the dispute. A police officer, by power vested under him under section 156 of the Criminal Procedure Code, it gives him a fuller sweeping power to investigate but none to recover. Generally speaking, any financial transaction comes under civil dispute, not in the criminal domain of law. So next time if you are involved in any commercial dispute and you get a call from a police officer, you have to go and present yourself. But next time he asks you to sign a check and ask you to give it to somebody else, you do not have to do it. Stand up for some of your rights, because most of these things can be handled by you if you know the law by yourself. If you are in a situation like this, and if your friend who is in a situation like this, don't rush to a lawyer and hire them immediately. Stand up for some of your rights that may obliterate the need to hire a lawyer. Thanks for watching me. Please do subscribe.